Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs at the YouTube channel. In today's session, we will do Current Affairs MCQs from 24th January 2026 and we will cover all possible MCQs. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. So coming to today's first question, who among the following addressed the 146th Jayanti celebrations of Sri Ramana Maharshi held in New Delhi? Option C, Vice President of India Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan. The central spiritual teaching of Sri Ramana Maharshi is properly known as it is popularly known as Atma Vichara, that is self-enquiry. Sri Ramana Ashram is located at which of the following places? So it was located at Tiruvannamalai, Tamil Nadu. Election Commission Integrated Network was launched by which constitutional body? Option B, Election Commission of India. ECI Net was launched during which international conference? Option B, that is International Institute of Democracy and Election Management Conference 2026. ECI Net integrates approximately how many Election Commission of India applications and portals? Option C, more than 40 applications and portals. ECI Net is available in which of the following language formats? Option C, 22 scheduled languages under the Constitution plus English language. ECI Net has been developed in compliance with which of the following acts? Option B, that is Representation of the People Act 1950 and 1951. Swamita stands for? So the Swamitva stands for Survey of Villages and Mapping with Improvised Technology in Village Areas. Option A. Swamitva scheme is implemented by which ministry? Option B, Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Swamitva scheme uses which technology for land mapping? So it uses drone-based survey technology for land mapping. Under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana Phase 4, how many kilometers of all-weather rural roads are proposed to be constructed? Option D, 62,500 kilometers. Parakram Divas is observed to commemorate the birth anniversary of which freedom fighter? Option C, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Parakram Divas 2026 marks which birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? Option D, 129th birth anniversary. What is the main venue of Parakram Divas 2026 celebrations? Option C, Sri Vijayapuram, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Bharat Rang Mahotsav is organized by which institution? Option A, that is National School of Drama, NSD. What is the duration of Bharat Rang Mahotsav 2026? Option D, from 27th January to 20th February 2026. The Inclusive Education Summit 2026 aligns with which national policy? Option B, National Education Policy 2020. Prashasat 2.0 is primarily related to which of the following? Option B, Screening and identification of children with special needs. India's power transmission network has crossed how many circuit kilometers? Option C, 5 lakh circuit kilometers. The interregional power grid has realized which national vision? Option B, One Nation, One Grid, One Frequency. The trucks on train service is operated under which dedicated freight corridor? Option A, Western Dedicated Freight Corridor. What is the approximate length of the Palanpur-Rewari trucks on trains corridor? Option D, 636 kilometers. Trucks on train service primarily helps in reducing which emission? Option B, carbon dioxide emission. What was the theme of the Ayush Republic Day tableau? Option B, Ayush ka Tantra, Swasthya ka Mantra. Which mission anchors the integration of Ayush systems with public healthcare? Option D, National Ayush Mission, NAM. The Military Quantum Vision Policy Framework was released by whom? Option C, Chief of Defence Staff, General Anil Chauhan. How many technology pillars are included under the Military Quantum Mission? Option C, 4 pillars. The Military Quantum Mission aligns with which national mission? Option B, National Quantum Mission, NQM. Which of the following is not a technology pillar of the Military Quantum Mission? Option C, Quantum Agriculture is not a part of technology pillar. So that's it for today everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. I wish you all the best. See you in the next video.